Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Khan, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 math subject. Okay. So in previous class we have done the square root. Okay, by prime factorization method. Today I will teach you how to find the square root by division method. Okay. So our main topic is today square root by division method. Okay. So let's start. So our question is 1296 and we need to find the square root of 1296 by division method. Okay. So for this what we have to do, I will write the number first 1296. Okay. Then just we need to make a bar here. Now what we have to do, we need to make a pair of number. Okay. From right to left. Okay, we have to pair the number from right to left, that is these two are in pair and these two are in pair. Okay, we have to make a group of two numbers. Okay, from right to left. Okay, that is these two are in one pair and these two are in another pair. Okay, so after that we have to see the first pair. Okay, whether whose square is this 12. If we do not get the perfect square, we need to just find the number which is close to 12, just less than 12. Okay, likewise square of 1 is your 1, 2 square is your 4, 3 square is your 9, 4 square is your 16, 5 square is your 25. Okay, so see here which one is closer to 12 or exactly equal to 12. Is there any one? No. Okay, so just smaller than 12. Who is it? Just smaller than 12 is this. Okay, means 9 is just closer to 12. Okay, so we will take this 3. Okay, we will take 3. Square of 3 is 9. Okay, so we will take 3 because 9 is closer to 12. So here 3 3s are, how much we have to take? 9. Okay, so here one thing more we have to remember, this is just like division. Okay, 3 is the divisor. How we will get this divisor? We will look the first pair, and find the number, perfect square number closer to 12 or exactly 12. If we get exactly, then we have to take the same number. If we do not get exactly, we will take a number closer to 12, that is just smaller to 12. So here is not 12, the after this 16 the greater than 12 number it start comes. Okay, so what we will do here, we will take a number which is just less than 12, that is your 9. Okay, and whose square is 9, that is your 3. So our divisor will be your 3. Okay, so 3, how many times the 12 will divide? That is 3 3s are. Okay, so the square of 3 3s are 9. Okay, so in one more place we need to write the 3, that is here. Okay, so what will happen now? 12 minus 9 we have to do here. Okay, how much we will get here? 3. Okay, but here this 2, okay, I have written 3 place. Okay, that is 3 I have written here, 3 3s are, and here also I have written. These two we have to add and write. These two we have to add and write. Okay, these two we have to add and write here. These two we have to subtract. This will be your quotient. Okay, why I have left here space? Because now another number, for another number, now this another pair, this 12 we have divided. Okay, by 3 3s are 9. Okay, now another pair is your 96. It will come down now. That is your 96. Okay, so now it is your 3-digit number. So by which number it will divide? Now how we have to think? We have to place a number here. Okay, what will be that number? Okay, suppose here 6 is here, 6. Okay, so suppose I place here 2. If I place here, suppose for example only I am saying here, I place here 2. I have to write here 2 also, here also, here also. Okay, and this 2 we will multiply and write here. Okay, what we will write here? By the same number we have to multiply here. Okay, suppose if I write here 2, then it becomes 62. We have to multiply by 2. If I write here 3, then I have to multiply by 3. Okay, if I write here 5, I have to multiply by 5. If I write here 5, I have to multiply by 5. If I write here 6 in front of this, if I write here 6, I have to multiply by 6. So which one is the correct one? Any number we can write. We can write 0, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. Any number we can write here. But what is the correct number here? Okay, we have to think. Suppose if we multiply this to, what we'll get? 4, 12, 124. It is more greater. Let's check by 3. It is still more greater. 30. Okay, 5 5 are 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2. 30. It is closer to it. But let's check for this also. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. We got exactly. Okay, but if we write here 6, means we need to write here also 6, 6, 6. Okay, and here also we need to write 6. So now 66 into 6, this we have to multiply. Okay, we need to multiply this 2 and write here. Okay, 66 into 6 is your 396. Okay, and we need to subtract here, and it all will be cancelled here. Okay, so what will come here? 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1, 72. Okay, if there would be more number, we will continue the process in the similar manner. Okay, but here there is now no remainder left, so our answer is your 36. So under root 1296, its answer is your 36. Once again listen it very carefully. We need to pair a number from right to left. Okay, we need to make a group of 2 numbers. So these 2 are in group, these 2 are in group. Okay, so after that there will always be 2-digit number. Okay, here always it will be a 2-digit number. So you need to see the square from 1 to 9. Okay, which one we will take? So here which number square is just equal to this number, this pair number, first pair number, or just less than this number. Okay, so I have checked here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we got from here the greater than 12 number, it starts coming. So we have to take, there is no 12 exactly. 12 is not a perfect square number. So I have taken just less than 12, that is a 9. So whose square is 9? That is your 3 square. So we have taken here this 3, and we need to write one more 3. Okay, so what we need to do? We need to multiply this 2 and write here. Or you multiply these 2 numbers, same you will get, because same thing we are writing in 3 places. Okay, so multiply this 2 and write here, and add this 2 and write here. This one I have written here. Okay, so after subtracting from 12 9, we got 3. Now next pair will come down. Okay, now we need to place a number here. We can place any number 1 2 3, but we have to select an appropriate number. For that I have checked here 2 by 3 by 5 by 6. Okay, by 6 it exactly goes. So I have written here 6. In how many places? 3 places. Here I have written, here I have written, and here. Here you need to add and write. Multiply this and write here. Okay, so there is no remainder, so we got the answer 36. So square root of 1296 is your 36. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So now let's do another question. So I am going to erase it. So same process, let's start. What is the number here? Okay, we need to pair a number from right to left. So these 2 are in pair, these 2 are in pair. This is alone. Okay, if you need to make it pair, you can write here 0, but it will represent your 5 only. Okay, so I will not write here. So after that, make a bar in this way. Okay, so we need to see the first pair. That is, if we write here 0, then this is your 5 only. Okay, we can make it pair. But if I don't write 0, then also no problem. We will see this number. Okay, we will search this number in the square. Okay, so 1 is square, that is your 1. 2 is square is your 4. 3 square is your 9. The number just started now greater number it start to come. So is there any 5 exactly perfect number 5? No. So what we have to do, if we do not get perfect number, so what we will do, we will just find the number which is just smaller than perfect square, that is just smaller than 5, that is our 4. So for 4, whose square is this 4? That is a 2 square, so we will take this 2. Okay, so 2 we will write in 3 place. 2 2 is a 4. Okay, and one more place we will write here 2. Okay, here we need to add. Okay, but here we need to subtract. So how much we got here? 5 minus 4, that is your 1. Okay, after doing to the first, now your 2-digit number will come down. At once the 2-digit will come here. 0 6. Okay, so now here in front of 4 we need to place a number. So what number we should place here? We can place 1 2, we can place 0 also. 0 1 2 3 up to 9, any digit you place here. So if I place here 1, if I place here 0 means we will get here 0, but it is much more greater. Okay, so 1 if I will place, then 1 into 1 we have to do 141. So if we place here 2, then we will get 282, and if we place here 3 we will get. So now please see here, if I will place suppose here 1, then I need to place here 1 also, and we need to multiply this 2 and write here. But if we get 41, it is much more smaller. Okay, so I will not write 1 here. What I will do, I will take this 2, because third one is 43 by 3 is 129. It is greater than 106. So we will not take this. This is not appropriate. This is also not appropriate. This is your appropriate because it is just smaller. Okay, either you get exactly the same number, or if you do not get, just get the smaller number than this. So this is the one. Sorry here. Okay, 2 if you write here, the number which we write here, by the same number we have to multiply. Sorry for here. So here 2 2 and 2. In 3 place I have written 1 2 and 3. So multiply this 42 into 2, that is your 84. Okay, and do here addition. 2 plus 2 4. 4 will as it is 44 here we got, and here we need to just subtract. Okay, 6 minus 4 is your 2, and from 0 it cannot be subtracted, so it will ask here. So 10 minus 2 is 8 is your 2. So we got here 22. Now another pair will just come down. Okay, that is your 25 will just come down. This 2 pair 25 will come down here. So now again same process. The number which will place here in front of this 44 here. Okay, the same number will multiply to. Okay, the same number will be multiplied, and we will write here and we will do subtraction. Suppose what I mean to say here is 44 is here. Okay, if I place in front here 1, then I need to multiply by 1. So how much will get? 144. Okay, that is a 4 from right to left I have read it. Okay, similarly if I write here 44 in front, if I write here 2, then we have to multiply by 2. How much will you get? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. It is far more greater. Okay, then if we think, just we need to think. Okay, this is not appropriate. 44. Okay, 4 if I think to write 4. Okay, then how much will you get? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Okay, still it is greater. So again let's check by 5. 44 into 5. Okay, 5 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 20 plus 2 22. Oh, we got exactly the same number. Okay, so what we will write here? We will write here 5. We will write here 5, and for in the quotient also we will write here 5. 3 plus I have written here. Okay, multiply 445 by 5, that we got here how much? 2225. Do subtraction, all will be, you will get here remainder 0. Okay, if you do here you will need to add it. Okay, 5 plus 5, that is your 10, carry 1 5 4. Okay, we need to leave a space because we needed to continue here. So this is the not main thing. Now we got the answer here 225. Okay, so our square root of 50,625 is your 225. Okay, so now let's again see here very carefully. We are going to find the square root of 50,625 by division method. Okay, for this what we need to do, the first step is we need to group a number from right to left. Pair, we need to pair a number, make a group of two numbers. Okay, so this first two pair, second, and in third one the 5 is only remaining. We can make it pair by writing here 0, but no need. Okay, 5. So we'll get here, we get here single digit number, that is a 5. So we need to see this number in the squares. Okay, square of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to 9 digit, 1 to 9. If you search, you can easily get. Okay, so we will not get 5. Will not get 5 here. So we are getting here the 5 or the number which is just smaller than 5. That is your 4. And whose square is 4? That is your 2. This number we need to take 2. We have to write in 3 places. 2, 2 and 2. Okay. So here we will do subtraction. We will get 1. Here we will do addition. We will get 4. Okay. And this next 2 digit will come down. That it will become now 106. So now this 42. Okay, which number we need to place here? As I have explained earlier, the number which we will place here, by the same number you have to multiply and write here. Okay, once again listen it very carefully. First of all we will get here only the 4. Okay, the number which we will place here, by the same number we have to multiply and write here. Okay, and we need to add this and write here. Okay, so we got here 22 and 25 comes down. Here we have got 42 plus 2, that is a 44. Okay, and again we need to place a number here. We need to place a number here, and the number which will place here, by the same number we will multiply and write here, and we will do addition, and same number will place here also. Okay, so in this way we will find the square root by division method. Okay, so please you all try to find the square root by division method. Okay, we will do some more log question in our upcoming videos. So thank you for today. Please stay home, be safe. Thank you everyone.